providing relief to the victims of Hurricane Harvey.
The Red Cross of Northern Illinois has deployed volunteers, and ComEd is ready to send a fleet of trucks to South Texas. WGN's Mike Lowe is live at ComEd's regional headquarters on the city's northwest side with more. Mike, good evening.
And good evening to you, Timon. That's exactly right. Officials here at ComEd say there are 50 trucks on standby waiting to be sent to the disaster area in South Texas. They're just waiting for word from disaster officials there. Once they get there, they'll be concerned primarily with getting the power back on in the most affected regions. Meantime, the Red Cross here in Chicago has already sent volunteers who are already assisting in the disaster zone.
I'm just thinking about the people involved and hoping that people are staying safe and using their resources wisely.
Catherine Rabenstein of the Red Cross here in Chicago is monitoring the aftermath of Hurricane Harvey, which could cause catastrophic flooding in South Texas and Louisiana. She knows volunteers from across the country and here in Chicago will be needed in the days and weeks ahead.
The Red Cross is always at the ready. So we have volunteers ready to deploy to disaster sites 24/7.
So far, the Red Cross of Northern Illinois has sent 10 volunteers to the disaster zone where Hurricane Harvey slammed ashore near Corpus Christi, Texas last night, bringing wind gusts of 130 miles per hour. This is the first Category 4 hurricane to make landfall in the United States since 2004. Even as the storm has been downgraded, heavy rainfall is expected to devastate the region.
This is going to be a massive response effort, so Chicago and Northern Illinois Red Crossers are at the ready.
Last night, the Chicago Red Cross sent 2 emergency response vehicles to the region, bringing cases of water, kitchen supplies, and ready meals. The Red Cross will also be sending trailers full of shelter supplies, including cots and blankets, for more than 20,000 people. Some of the Chicago volunteers will be helping to manage the more than 50 shelters already set up.
They wanted to get us down there early because there's not much time between now and when it really gets ugly.
Whenever we're out, we're in an area that's just been devastated, and everybody's doing the same thing, looking for help, and we're there to provide it.
Some predictions show 35 inches of rain could fall in South Texas by Monday, and the full extent of the damage won't be known for days.
And there are a lot of people who are going to need help for a long time after this kind of storm. So the Red Cross is going to be there for the weeks and months of long-term recovery ahead.
And the Red Cross says more volunteers from Chicago will likely be needed in the coming days. If you would like to assist but can't actually go down to Texas to help, they say the best way is to make a donation on their website. You can find a link to the Red Cross website at WGNTV.com. Meantime, here at ComEd, they are still waiting for